How to fix speaker cracking sound problem in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, check your iPhone case, cover your speaker grill. If it covers your speaker grill, then remove your iPhone case. After remove your iPhone case, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then swipe right to power off your device and turn it on again. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.